Absolutely. Here's a comprehensive YouTube article on Civic X modification, 10th Gen Honda Civic, 2016-2021, focusing on aesthetics, performance upgrades, interior customizations, and style, without discussing handling or driving condition. Civic X modification, the ultimate guide to elevating your 10th Gen Civic. The Honda Civic X 10th generation, launched in 2016 and running through to 2021, quickly became a favorite among enthusiasts worldwide for its aggressive styling, turbocharged engine, and immense aftermarket potential. Whether you drive the sedan, coupe, or hatchback, the Civic X offers a perfect base for personal expression and performance upgrades. In this article, we explore how you can transform a stock Civic X into a head-turning, show-stopping machine. From exterior styling to interior luxuries, wheels to tech, this guide is your one-stop resource for a next-level build, no handling discussion needed. 1. Exterior modifications. Stand out with style. Body kits and aero enhancements. One of the most dramatic ways to change the appearance of a Civic X is by upgrading its bodywork. Aerodynamic kits not only add aggression but also elevate the street presence of your car. Popular kits. Mugen body kits offer clean lines and premium fitment. HKS, HFP, Honda Factory Performance, and Varis bring JDM flavor to your build. Wide-body kits from Pandem or Liberty Walk can make your Civic look track-ready. Custom front bumper and grills. Replace the OEM grille with a Type R style grille for a sporty, aggressive look. Many go for carbon fiber or gloss black finishes to match their build theme. LED fog lights, custom air vents, and aftermarket bumper lips from companies like Maxton Design or Greddy also contribute to a low-slung appearance. Lighting upgrades. Headlights. Install LED or sequential DRL headlights with built-in turn signals. Taillights. Go for smoked, clear, or sequential LED taillights to modernize the rear. Underglow and accent lighting. RGB kits underneath the car or in the cabin can create a dramatic nighttime aesthetic. 2. Wheels, tires and suspension aesthetics. Wheels, the style statement. Wheels are one of the most personal touches on a build. Popular sizes. Most go for 18 inches or 19 inches wheels with aggressive offsets. Top brands. Volk Racing, NK, Rotiform, Vossen, and BBS. Choose between gunmetal, gloss black, bronze, or even color-matched wheels for uniqueness. Stance and fitment. A perfect stance gives your car its attitude. Lowering options. Static drop with COI levers for adjustability. Air suspension airlift performance for on-demand height control. Add camber kits or spacers for a flush, aggressive wheel fitment. 3. Performance aesthetics. Under the hood. You don't need to talk about handling to appreciate performance upgrades visually and mechanically. Engine bay detailing. Dress up the engine bay with colored hoses, engine cover wraps or painted covers. Strut bars, carbon fiber fuse box covers and battery tie-downs. Turbo and exhaust visual upgrades. Upgrade to a larger intercooler or charge pipes with vibrant finishes. Choose an aftermarket exhaust not just for sound, but for titanium tips, quad exit designs, or carbon fiber surrounds. Popular brands. NVIDIA, Borla, Greddy, HKS. 4. Interior customization. Where you live. The Civic X cabin is already driver-focused, but modifications can make it truly your own. Steering wheel upgrades. Swap out the stock wheel for a flat-bottom racing wheel, carbon fiber or suede steering wheel. Add paddle shifters or custom stitching for flair. Seats and upholstery. Install Recaro, Bride, or Sparco racing seats, or reupholster stock seats with Alcantara, leather, or custom stitching. Add carbon fiber seat backs or contrast piping for detail. Ambient lighting and trim. LED ambient lighting can be installed under dash, seats, or indoor trims. Swap out plastic trim pieces with hydro-dipped, carbon fiber, or brushed aluminum finishes. Don't forget custom floor mats, illuminated sill plates, and headliner upgrades. 5. Infotainment and tech mods. Modernizing the infotainment system is an easy way to boost daily comfort. Head unit and screen upgrades. Upgrade the factory screen to an Android Auto Apple CarPlay unit with a larger display. Some kits include Tesla-style vertical touchscreens for a futuristic look. Audio enhancements. Add under-seat subwoofers, tweeters, and amp upgrades for studio-quality sound. Brands like Alpine, JBL, Rockford Fosgate, and Pioneer are highly recommended. Gauge pods and monitors. Install digital boost gauges, voltage monitors, or engine temp sensors in custom pods. LCD clusters or HUD heads-up display can add a high-tech aesthetic. 6. Vinyl wraps and paint protection. Wraps and custom paint. Make your Civic a rolling piece of art. Full vinyl wraps, matte, satin, chrome, or color shifting. Two-tone themes, racing stripes, or camo patterns can be applied easily. Paint-matched aero parts give a seamless look. Protective coatings. PPF paint protection film protects your finish from chips and UV damage. Ceramic coatings make washing easier and add a deep gloss. 7. Accessories and small mods that add big impact. Sometimes, it's the little things that elevate a build. Window visors JDM style. Rear roof spoilers or vortex generators. Tow hooks especially anodized red, blue, or gold. Short antennas, rear diffusers, or fender flares. License plate relocation kits. Engine bay lighting or hood struts. These small touches bring together the theme and style of your build. 8. Civic X build themes and inspirations. Creating a cohesive build is key. Here are a few ideas. JDM inspired build. Clean lines, subtle aero, performance wheels, OEM plus style. Brands like Spoon, Muggin, Cusco. Track look build. Aggressive diffuser, carbon hood, roll cage, bucket seats. Livery style decals and quick release bumpers. Luxury build. Air ride, two-tone leather interior, chrome accents, ambient lighting. Show car build. Wild wrap, massive wheels, overfenders, starlight headliner. 9. Community and inspiration. The Civic X has one of the most passionate modification communities worldwide. Forums and groups. CivicX.com, Facebook groups like Civic X Owners. Instagram pages. #CivicXNation, #CivicXBuilds. YouTube channels. Boosted John, Humble Performance, Built Automotive. Explore, share, and get inspired by others in the scene. Many builders also share parts lists, tutorials, and progress logs online. Conclusion. Building your dream Civic X. The Civic X is more than just a car, it's a blank canvas. Whether you're modding it for show, street cred, or personal satisfaction, the possibilities are endless. With careful planning, attention to detail, and the right components, your Civic can become a true reflection of your personality and style. Remember, every build tells a story. What will yours say? Let me know if you want this turned into a script, voice over text, blog post, or need a matching YouTube title and description with hashtags.